Hey everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm stopping in here to share some information with all of you. For those of you that are new here and that are following me, my name is Josephine Fusco. I am a professional makeup artist and skincare and beauty educator. I'm also a doTERRA wellness advocate. So what does that mean? Is that I actually educate on using essential oils and the benefits that you can reap by using them. Now, skincare is my absolute jam. If you guys follow me here on all my social media platforms, you know that I obsess over skincare. So today I am dropping information here since I've gotten quite a few messages from all of you on wanting to learn a little bit more on what's happening this week and next week with doTERRA, because we have BOGOs. What does BOGO mean? It means buy one, get one free. And I'm going to highlight each of the BOGOs every day here so that you guys can learn a little bit more, and you can also head over to my stories as well. Now, today you have an opportunity to buy turmeric essential oil and get cheer essential oil for free. Okay, now I love turmeric for a couple different reasons. For those of you that know me and follow me here, you know that I have something called Hashimoto's. And for those of you that have any type of autoimmune issues, you know that we are severely inflamed internally. It's just something that our body produces and we have. And I actually cater towards turmeric a lot because it helps with that inflammatory response in my body. So now for me, the beauty of using the essential oil versus the powder is that I don't need to combine it with a fat. It's just soluble. It just absorbs into my body by using the oil. You can put it in a capsule. You could put it, like if you follow me on my stories, how I make my iced coffees, my lattes, my turmeric, my matcha lattes. So you have options, right? But I am going to highlight this today on a skincare perspective. Now, turmeric essential oil is fantastic for any inflammation, obviously in the body, but also outside of the body. So if you're having some issues with your skincare and you have some minimal breakouts, you have some, a couple little acne spots here and there, or you suffer from redness, or you're inflamed on the skin, then turmeric essential oil is going to be for you, okay? I actually like to incorporate turmeric into my skincare regimen by applying it to my mud mask. One of the other things that you can do is you can also apply it to a serum regimen, which I can help you get on, and I like to do that at night. So you do have some options when it comes to turmeric in terms of clearing up that inflammatory process that you have topically on the skin. Now, if you do buy turmeric today, you get cheer for free. Now, cheer is an essential oil that I keep on my desk right here. So for those of you that hop in with my videos and stuff like that, this is the roller blend of cheer, but they have the 5 ml bottle for free. You can create your own roller blend, but I use this because it is one of their happy blends. So a lot of things are happening in the world right now, right? And everybody can use a little bit of cheer. So I love this oil because it just boosts the mood. I do have a lot of you on here that are going through very stressful times. And this is one oil that I like to highlight as well, because it will boost the mood in your house before your work, before your workout, or before anything that you're doing. And I actually like to use this as my natural pure fume, okay? You guys have been following me. You know that I am a big advocate of educating on non-toxic beauty and non-toxic skincare. So for me, this falls into the beauty realm, and this will help anyone that has issues with feelings of discouragement or depressive feelings or anxious feelings or feelings of disconnect. I have my notes in front of me because you guys know that I could go on a tangent while I'm discussing oils because I love them so much. So if you are ready to get started, I will tap you into my private community. You can order today's BOGO, retail or wholesale, whichever you prefer. You know I love to educate that you get your own account and you get 25% off all products and oils at your convenience. You get to order them as needed, but please take advantage of today's BOGO because it's really a good one. Shoot me a message, drop a comment here, shoot me a message, email me, text me. You guys know how to get in touch with me, and I will talk with you soon. Let me know. Bye.